Hello students, welcome back, and today we will do rest of the questions of exercise number 6.6. So let's start from question number 20. What it says, what should be subtracted from 580? Okay, we have to find out some number which we will subtract from 580 so that the result is exactly divisible by 9. Okay, what it means, if we divide that number by 9 after subtracting some number, it should be fully divisible or exactly divisible by 9. Okay, let's see how can we find out. So whenever we have to find out some number which we subtract from 580 so that result is exactly divisible by 9, first we have to do the division of 580 by 9. So first step is what we will do, we will divide this 580 by 9. Okay, so let's divide. 5 9s are 45, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, that is 4, and what we will get 40. 9 4s are 36, that is 4 and 0. So what we get? We get 4 as our remainder. So if we have to find out some number which we subtract from 580 so that it is divisible by 9, what we subtract? We always subtract the remainder. Okay, whenever we have to find out some number which we subtract from some number so that it will be divisible by some number, so what we do? We subtract the remainder from that number. So in this case, what we will do? We will subtract 580, or we will subtract this 4 from 580. 580 minus 4. What we will subtract? We will subtract 4 from 580. Let's see what it will. What will be the result if we subtract 4 from 580? So that is 10 minus 4, it is 6, it is 7, and it is 5. That is 576 is the number. Okay, let's check whether it is fully divisible by 9 or not. What we will do? We will divide this 9 by 576. So 9 1 is 9, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54. That is 3 and 6, it is 0. So 9 4 is 36. What is the remainder? Now the remainder is ZERO 0. What it means? We have subtracted some number from 580 and what we get? We get 576, and if we divide this 576 by 9, we get 0 as remainder, means that number is exactly divisible by 9. So always remember, whenever we have to find out some number that should be subtracted from some number, what we subtract? We divide that number. Okay, we divide this 580 by 9, and whatever be the remainder, we subtract that remainder from the dividend. Means what we will subtract? 4. So in answer, what we will write? 4 should be subtracted from 580 so that result is divisible by 9. Okay, so what should be subtracted from 580 so that result is exactly divisible by 9? 4. What we will write? 4 should be subtracted from 580 so that result is exactly divisible by 9. Okay, this is question number 20, and question number 21 you have to do like this only. Okay, so let's see next question. Okay, let's see question number 22. What it says, what should be added to 723 so that the result is exactly divisible by 8? Now this question is same as question number 20 and 21, but in place of subtraction, what it is written? Here it is written added. So let's see how can we do such type of questions. Okay, here it is added. So what should be added to 723? Means we have to find out some number that should be added to 723 so that the number is fully divisible by 8. Okay, so first step is same. We have to divide this 723 by this 8. Okay, so how can we divide? 8 9s are 72. Okay, that is 0 and 0, and it is 3. Okay, whenever we get a number which is smaller than divisor, what we do? We multiply this number by 0. 8 zeros are 0 and we get 3 as our remainder. Okay. So now what we get? 3 as our remainder. Okay. Now you will be thinking that we will subtract this 3 from, or we will add this 3 in 723 so that we will get a number which will be divisible by 8. Okay. But it is not like that. Suppose we are adding this 723 plus 3. What we will get? 726. Okay. Let's see whether it is divisible by 8 or not. Okay. So if we divide by 8, 8 nines are 72 and we will get 6. Zeros are 0, 6 as a number. If we add this 3 to a number, we will not get a number which is exactly divisible by 8. So what we have to do? First, what we have to do? First, we have to subtract this remainder from the divisor. Always remember, whenever the question is what should be added, so we will not add this remainder directly. First, what we have to do? We have to subtract this remainder from the divisor. Okay, so what is divisor? That is 8 minus 3, that is our remainder. So what will be the number? 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. So 5 will be added to 723. Okay. So that the number what we get will be exactly divisible by 8. Okay. Let's add this 5 to our 723. Okay. Let's add this 5 to 723 plus 5. Now 5 plus 3, 8, 2 and 7. So the number what we get? 728. Okay. Let's divide this 728 by 8. 728 divided by 8. So 8 nines are 72. Okay. And this is 8. 8 ones are 8. The remainder is 0. So whenever the question is like that, what should be added? So what should be added? We will subtract this 3 from our divisor. So what should be added? We will add, what we will add? We will add this 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5 to 723. What we will add? This 5 to 723 so that the result is exactly divisible by 8. Okay. So this is how you can solve question number 22. Okay. In this, let's see question number 23. In this question, what it is written? The cost of 66 fans is 62,700. Okay. The cost of 66 fans is given rupees 62700, that is 62,700. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the cost of one fan. Okay. So here it is written the cost of 66 fan is 6200. So what we will write? Cost of 66 fans is equal to rupees 62700. Okay. Now always remember, whenever we have to find out the cost of one or population of one or price of one or rate of one, or whenever we have to find out one thing, what we do? We divide these quantities. Okay, this and this. We divide this larger quantity from this smaller quantity. So what we will get? The cost of one fan is equal to, what we will do? We will divide this number by this 66. So we will get the cost of one fan. So that is equal to 62700 divided by 66. Okay, the cost of one fan will be 62700 divided by 66. Now what we have to do? We have to divide this by 66. Okay, let's do it in rough. 62700 divided by 66. Okay, we don't know the table of 66 and we also know that these two digit is smaller than our divisor, means 62 is smaller than 66, so we have to take 3 digits. Now let's multiply 66 by 5. 6 5 is 30, carry 3, 6 5 30, 330. This is very smaller, so we will multiply this 66 by 8. 6 8 is 48, carry 4, 8 6 is 48, 4 9 50, 52. That is 528. Now let's multiply 66 by 9. What we will get? 9 6 is 54, 5 9 6 is 54. That is 594. So what number we will multiply by 66? 9. So 66 9s are 594. Okay. So let's subtract. This is 7 minus 4. It is 4 5 3, and this is 5, and this is 12, 9 10 11 12 33. Okay, and this is 0. Now what we will do? We will take down this 0 to here. Now it becomes 330. Okay, so in order to find out this 330, let's multiply this 66 by 5. 5 6 is 30, carry 3, 5 is 30, 31 to 33. Okay, if we multiply 66 by 5, we get 330. 330. So this is 0 0 0. Now what we will do? We will take down this 0, and again, how many times this? If we multiply 66 by 0, we will get this 0, and this is 0 0 0. So what is our quotient? 950, and this is our cost of one fan. Okay, because 62700 divided by 66 is equal to 950. So cost of one fan is equal to rupees 950. Okay, so this is how we can find out cost of one fan if cost of lots of fan are given. Okay, now let's see question number 26. Okay, what it says: a sum of rupees 26,547 is to be divided among 86 students. Okay, we have some money, that is 26,547, and we have to divide that money among 86 students equally. So what amount each of them get? Okay, we have to find out what amount will each student will get. Okay, and also we have to find out how much amount will be left behind. Okay, so हमारे पास 26,547 रुपये हैं और हमको 86 स्टूडेंट को वह रुपए बांटने हैं. सो व्हाट अमाउंट ईच ऑफ देम विल गेट, हमें बताना है कि सबके पास कितने कितने रुपए आएंगे. सो इट इज ऑलरेडी रिटन, वी हैव टू डिवाइड, मीन्स वी हैव टू डिवाइड दिस अमाउंट अबाउट 86 students. So what we will do? We will divide this amount by 86. Okay, so that is 26547, and this we have to divide among 86 students. So we will divide this amount by 86. Okay, let's see what will be the answer. Here 26 is smaller than 86, so we have to take 3 digits, that is 265. Now let's multiply 86 by 3. 3 6 are 18, carry 1, 3 8 are 24, or 1 25, that is 258. Okay, so 86 3 are 258. Okay, now that is 15, 8 7 15, and that is 5 0 and 0. What we will get? 7. Now what we have to do? We have to put down this 4. Now this is 74. Okay, and this is 86, so it is not divisible by 86. So what we have to do? We have to multiply this 86 by 0 and 0. 86 0 is 0, and that what we will get? 74. Now we can take down this 7. Okay, we cannot directly take down this 7. First we have to multiply this 86 by 0, and then we have to subtract this 0 from 74, and after that we can take down this 7. Okay, now it becomes 747. Okay, let's see when subtract. Let's multiply 86 by 5. 5 6 are 30, carry 3, 8 5 is 40, 40 44 45, that is 450. Okay, let's multiply it by 6. See what we will get. 6 is a 36, carry 3, 6 8 is a 48, 49, 50, 51, that is 516. 86 by 9. 9 6 is a 54, 9 6 is a 54, carry 5, 9 8 is a 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, that is 774, which is greater than 747. So what we will multiply? 86 into 8. 8 6 is a 48, carry 4, 8 is a 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, that is 688. So if we multiply this 86 by 8, what we will get? 688. Now let's see what we will get after subtracting this. This is 17, 18, 8 minus 17, 17 minus 8 is 9, and this is 3. We will take 1 from this, it will be 8. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, that is 5. And 6 minus 6, it is 0. So what we will get? 59. So what amount each student will get is 308. Okay, if we divide this amount by 86, what we get as our quotient? 308. So what will be our answer? Each student will get rupees 308. Okay, so this is our quotient, and this will be the amount which each student will get, and how much amount will be left behind. Okay, we know that if we divide this amount by 86, we get remainder as 59, means it is not fully divisible, means after dividing all the money, what will be left? 59 rupees. So amount left is equal to 59 rupees 59. Okay, so this is our full solution. What we have to do? We have to first divide this amount by 86. We will, whatever is the quotient, we will, that quotient will be the amount which each of them will get, and the remainder will be the amount left. Okay, so this is question number 26.